In a tranquil village, nestled between the majestic mountains and the sparkling sea, lived a peculiar goose named Gideon. Unlike the other geese, Gideon was not known for his strength or speed, but for his wisdom and compassion. One day, a terrible drought struck the village, causing the river to dry up. The villagers were desperate, their livelihood depended on the river. Gideon, with his wisdom, knew he had to act. He called the villagers to the town square, where he stood tall, his eyes filled with determination. "Friends," he began, "I have a plan to save our village." The villagers listened, their hope renewed. Gideon explained, "I will fly to the mountains and bring back the rain. But I need your help." The villagers were puzzled, for they didn't know how a goose could bring rain. Gideon smiled, "I will carry a prayer, your collective hopes and dreams. Your faith, combined with my journey, will bring the rain we need." The villagers agreed, their faith in Gideon unwavering. Gideon took flight, soaring high above the mountains, his wings beating against the clear sky. He carried the prayers of the villagers, each hope and dream, each wish for their village's survival. As he reached the mountains, he saw a wise old owl. "I need your help," Gideon pleaded. "I need to bring rain to my village." The owl, with a knowing smile, said, "I can help you, but you must promise me something. You must promise to teach the villagers the value of their faith, their hope, and their unity." Gideon agreed, and the owl showed him a hidden spring, a hidden treasure that would bring rain to his village. Gideon returned, the river flowing once more, the villagers rejoicing. True to his word, Gideon taught the villagers the importance of faith, hope, and unity. They learned that together, they could overcome any obstacle, that their combined strength was greater than any challenge. And so, the tale of the wise goose became a legend, a reminder to the villagers and to us all, that faith, hope, and unity can bring rain even in the driest of times.